Morning. This is the day after the Halloween party.
Oh, you changed your memory card over?
Yes, I've changed the memory cards over because we ran out of space. So we'll walk around and get some breakfast. So today I'm going to send my family a postcard. Proof in case it goes missing. There we are.
Pancakes or sausage?
You good, Will?
So good. We filmed all of this yesterday, but because we ran out of space, we deleted it.
So doing it again. To the Lion King. Rafiki. Go Namadana.
Come on, Ella.
And the other two. One of them is called Eddie.
So there we're staying for a night. You get the floor.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm sure it's exactly the same as the one. Anyway, maybe a little bit.
Looks like he's staring into your soul. Ooh.
Really hot already.
Yeah, it's roasting. See, I'm eating lady. Our room
We were lucky enough to stay
is
there.
up the top, kind of there. Ooh. Oh, see your t-shirt. No. Also noticed that my booty, well, my Halloween party pin goes in the dark. And now a bit messy room.
So convenient using the light.
So cool in here.
The light bulb.
Oops. Octopus coat hanger.
Oh, I know why I get puffed with air.
What?
I get puffed with air every time I flush the toilet. It's because it's the U one.
Ah.
So there's a gap and the air comes out.
Back to the room. Got Eric and Max and Scuttles on there too. There's a little portrait. Well. And behind we've got Will doing his hair. Want another lovely mirror? The shower curtain's nice in here too. There she is. Another park, another security outpost.
Animal Kingdom. Favorite part of it is it was new. Like it was filmed. Oh, the camera's melted.
It's been so hot that the camera's melted. It's melted. You gonna meet Will?
Russell.
Oh.
I wish Doug was here as well.
Oh.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, Russell.
Look, it's up there.
Hopefully gonna meet
Pocahontas.
We'll see how long we'll wait. We've done well with the princesses, really.
We got to see Pocahontas too. Hello. So we met Pocahontas.
Yeah, she was really nice.
She was nice.
Chatty, but not too chatty.
Chose to keep an eye out for Miko stealing our pins because he had shiny things.
She put her arms around us rather than linking, which was nice.
Which is a nice touch with
Some of
Pocahontas.
them, it's a bit forced, isn't it?
Yeah. So now we're going to do dinosaur. Rah, rah.
To Everest.
Good.
Everest. When you board, please sit down immediately. Pull down the restraint and secure all gear in the cargo bag in front of you.
Well.
Yeah. I'm wearing the backpack.
Just got out of Everest.
A lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun. Picture's quite funny too.
Yeah.
Yep. Very busy around here.
Yeah, I think there's people waiting.
Uh-huh.
Taking a photo.
Down to Avatar.
To Pandora we go.
Went into Starbucks to see if I can find the Animal Kingdom mug. And they don't have a health drawback. So far I've got 1 out of 4.
The studios are apparently getting it Friday, but we don't know who believes them now.
So I'm going to get the one from Epcot and the one from Universal and have 3 out of 5.
I think it's so quiet around here because everyone's in the rides to it.
Yeah, probably. Oh, that's quite impressive.
Oh yeah, that would be good. Oh, it's for 8.
Apparently flight past 60 minutes, but we do not believe it at
It's
all.
already at the sign thing.
Yeah, the entrance.
Blueberry almond popcorn. This is like the other babies they do. That's quite cute. We're going to try and go in early to the buffet again. Take 2.
Oh, we're in Tuscany.
It's a bit of a kerfuffle getting in.
Hey?
It's a bit of a kerfuffle getting in.
Yeah, it's been a bit of a wait. The manager came out and apologised for it. It's not been too bad. Ooh, should I have a sweet?
Yes.
Have a sweet. Hello, Daisy. Hello.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
We like your outfit today.
Working it. You've been very good in your outfit today.
Yeah, I like your outfit.
Tell and Daisy too. You both look great. Our 2 ducks already.
Yeah.
Daisy and Donald.
Sweet and salt.
Dessert time. What we got?
Cookie. White raspberry cake, which looks lovely.
An orange chocolate chip bread, cookies, strawberry cake with white chocolate cheesecake, and a chocolate brownie. Yummy? Good. Hi, Mickey. Hello. You good? Hi, Goofy.
Nice to see you.
Oh, that was me.
Hello everyone, my name is Neil. I'll be your driver on this photo safari through the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Make sure you're holding onto everything that you brought with you. We won't be able to stop for loose items that fall out. That rhino's got a pretty thick hide all over, and it can charge as fast as 35 miles per hour. Now, wildebeest get their name from the phrase wild beast in Afrikaans, a language that derived from South African Dutch settlers. Alrighty, as we come around here to our left, here's a bunch of Maasai giraffes. Maasai's are identified with dark spots all over with irregular shapes and jagged edges. Some can even grow as big as 18 to 20 feet tall. I'll go at a good pace here so we get a good close look. Hey, buddy! The horns on their heads are made out of a certain body element called keratin. That's what your fingernails and toenails are made out of.
Alright, Lions, pause up, and on the count of 3, let's hear you roar. 1, 2, 3! I just can't wait to be
Hiya, folks. How you doing? Don't worry, you're all funny
to shoot and begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
All right, giraffes, we're first on the count of 3. Let's hear some noises. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Puma, Timon. Am I in the right section? All right, Lions, let's just see. There he is. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's the Lion section, all right.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. Hey, Hobo, what are you doing over there? I'm in the Woodhawk section. Philosophy. Hakuna Matata. It's our motto. What's our motto? I don't know. What's our motto with you?
Now we can get rid of that. Okay, real quick. Thank you guys so much. Make sure to
Hello. Hello.
Nice to see you.
Hello, Minnie. Just met Mickey and Minnie together in their Explorer outfits. Very impressed with the pins. We topped the
How do you
Halloween
refresh
party.
it?
Oh, and now it's the big moment. We're going to see if we're going to queue for the flight of passage. Exit and we
It
start.
says 140 minutes.
Oh, shall we walk around and see what it says there? We'll see.
guess.
Yeah, let's see. If it's extreme, let's not, okay?
But are we just gonna go?
I don't know, I don't know.
What are we gonna do?
Disney Springs.
Because it seems really early to be going for us.
It does, yeah. We'll see, we'll see. Oh, Will needs a drink and a wee. There he goes again. You're doing
It
it.
said 75 minutes.
So
we
doing
think
it.
that's for sure it's gonna be made for days.
Progress update.
It's been 46 minutes.
Oh, we've got to be
I
getting
hate
close.
this.
So we've come to the Avatar Cafe, got these strange cheeseburger steamed pods. This is going to be very interesting.
Not as cutlery, but we don't really need it, do we? I might cut mine in half. I don't want to take that. Oh, it feels quite rubbery. Ew.
And open it up. Ooh. The taste sensation? Is that a no?
I feel like they filled it with like gherkins and Big Mac.
What's the outside of it like?
Spongy.
Should I give it a go?
Yeah.
Okay. What would I rate out of 10? The food?
Everything. Oh no, this Pandora restaurant.
6.
Yeah. I think I'd give the food about a 2.
I actually think the whole thing is very immersive and awesome.
Yeah.
Cool.
I just think the food was, like the burgers tasted just like a McDonald's burger with all the sides. Like
With a
the
strange bun.
sauce and it was a bit weird. Don't follow me.
Awesome. Pandora night.